Start. Hello. So the project, as you can see, is named as DevArmy. So have a project in your mind, need some help? Are you a UI ninja or need a database warrior? Post your project idea on our app. Find a partner who matches your requirements to complete the project. A much required space for the developers. We as students usually face this problem. We have a great idea in mind. We are excited about it in the beginning, start building on it. But later, when we see that then the graph goes on tending to zero, the trend shows a reasonable rate of creativity, but a depleting rate of implementation. And remember that we rise by lifting each other, as said by Robert Ingersoll. So what our platform provides the users here is that it is a platform that is brought forward by the developers to solve their problems, as in it is a platform for the developers. So what we call the members of our community, we call them soldiers. Yeah, so they are the soldiers of DevArmy, soldiers seeking solutions. Use the language of hashtags. To get a quick overview of this, Need Simran along with the skills is posted on the platform. You can post your requirements clearly in order to find people to work with on the projects. As you know that when you're working on projects with someone, then there is a greater rate of accountability, and also you might not know everything. And when you have a partner that complements your skills, that is very, very helpful. How to share your ideas. You can share your ideas using hashtag project idea. Then as a future implementation, we are trying to bring up sponsors who can reward your ideas. And the next here is the hashtag need help. If you need help with a specific topic, just post using this particular hashtag. Furthermore, remember that if you need advice from the mentors, yeah, so that's the thing. Where do we get the mentors from? So that's a future implementation we are trying to take upon through the 1517 funds, where we'll be providing job for the mentors so that they help our soldiers build up efficient and good solutions in future. So just to be clear, that need help is to seek help from other soldiers, but need advice is to seek help from the mentors. So in future, we are trying to also implement code and design review. Also, LinkedIn reviews matter the most in today's life, as these are the platforms where you might get hired. Also, hashtag resources can be used in order to share some useful resources, posts, articles, etc. Challenges we run into. So many developers are using Flutter. So block logic documentations and practical implementations are still not present yet. Also, Django REST API and Flutter, which documentations together weren't present. The technologies that we used were Flutter, Elasticsearch, Django, Heroku, Google Cloud Platform to host the application. And now I shall give you a very quick glimpse of our project here. So the project here is this particular is a demo video of our project. If you can have a look at it, you can see that this is the valid email here. To make the email valid, also the password limit is of 8 characters. You can sign into this platform. These are the different hashtags you can see. Then we have the edit profile and page, and then we also had the profile page. This is the page where you can post on different topics. These are the individual pages for these posts. So in this way, as you can see that we have